After not too long time, there was again a restock of one of the most iconic sneakers from the Yeezy, and it was probably the last one drop. As you can all guess, it's the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 Zebra, and it's this model that we're going to take a look at together today. Zebras was first released in February of 2017 and retailed for $220, then subsequently in 2022, 23 or this year 2024. It features a white and black marbled prime knit upper with a white side stripe and red SPLY 350 text. At the base, a cushioned boost sole provides comfort and support. If we talk about the price on the secondary market, the price ranges from $300 to $370 depending on the size. Do you like zebras? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. Now, let's take a closer look at these sneakers themselves.